What you doing? Huh? Are you at the beach? You want to get down? You want to play in the water? Tell Day say stop. You want to get down? You want to touch the sand? Uh-oh. Wait, Dana. Ooh, look. What's the matter, baby? Wait, Dana, stop. It's her first experience with sand. Look. Ray, what's the... Look at her toes. What's the matter, Ray?
What's wrong, Ray?
Ray, you got sand? Oh, no. Did you see that face? Boogie, you're running.
Okay, walk.
Come here. Come here. Dana, stop.